So in this video, we are going to find eigenvalue and eigenvector of the matrix. So for that, we are going to find eigenvalue first. So for that, we are going to find d1, which is sum of main diagonal elements. So our main diagonal element is minus 2, 1, 0. So minus 2, 1 plus minus 2 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to negative 1. So next one is d2, which is sum of minor of main diagonal element. So first the main diagonal element is minus 2. I am going to hide this row and column. Then I will get a determinant of this portion. Plus next main diagonal element is 1. So I am going to hide this row and column. Then I am getting determinant of minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 0 as in next term. Plus last main diagonal element is 0. I am going to hide this row and column. Then I am getting this portion as in the determinant form. Then I am going to simplify this determinant matrix. For that I am getting 1 into 0 will be 0, minus 2 into 16 will be minus 2, plus minus 2 into 0 will be 0, minus 1 into minus 3 will be plus 3, plus minus 1 into 1 will be minus 2, minus 2 into 2 will be 4. So from this I am getting minus 12, minus 3, minus 6 as a minus 21. So minus 21, this is d2 value. So d3 value is determinant of A, which is determinant of given matrix. So that is for taking a determinant of whole 3 by 3 matrix. I am going to take first row, first element, which is negative 2. Then I am going to do a determinant for this portion, which is I am going to hide this minus 2's row and column. Then I am getting this portion. So for that I am going to do a determinant. So 1 into 0 will be 0, minus 2 into minus 6 will be 12. So 0 minus 12 will be minus 12. Then minus this term, which is 2. So I am going to hide 2's column and row. So I will get determinant of 2, minus 6, minus 1, 0. So that we have to simplify that. From that we are getting 0 minus 6 as a determinant value, which is minus 6. Then minus 3 into, I am going to hide this minus 3 row and column. I am getting 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2 as a determinant form. So from that determinant form, I am getting minus 3 as an answer. So from this, minus 2 into minus 12 will be plus 24, minus 2 into minus 6 will be plus 12, minus 3 into minus 3 will be plus 9. So I am getting d3 value as a 45. Next I am going to substitute d1, d2, d3 in characteristic equation. So lambda cube minus d1. So d1 value is minus 1, minus 4, minus into minus will be plus lambda square, minus d2 value. d2 value will be minus 21. So minus 21 lambda minus d3 value will be 45, which is equal to 0. So we can find out lambda value by synthetic division method. So from that we are getting minus 3, 5 as a lambda value. So here there are two repeated eigenvalue. So I am going to find the eigenvector for this lambda value, which is eigenvalue 5. So for that I am going to find out a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. So a minus lambda I will be minus 2 minus lambda, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 1 minus lambda minus 6, minus 1 minus 2 minus lambda into x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0. Then I am going to multiply this 2 matrix. After that I am putting lambda value as 5 in this matrix. So I am getting minus 2 minus 5 as a minus 7, 1 minus 5 as a minus 4, minus lambda as a minus 5. Then I am going to multiply this 2 matrix. I will get minus 7x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 is equal to 0 as a first equation, 2x1 minus 4x2 minus 6x3 as a second equation, minus x1 minus 2x2 minus 5x3 is equal to 0 as a third equation. So from that I am going to take x2's coefficient as a first term, x3's coefficient as a second term, again x1 coefficient as a third term, again x2 coefficient as a last term. Then x1 divided by, I am taking this portion, determinant of this portion. So that will be minus 12 minus 1, which is equal to x2 divided divided by determinant of this portion, which is minus 3 into 2 will be minus 6, minus 6 into minus 7 will be 40, which is minus 6 minus 42 will be minus 48, is equal to x3 divided by determinant of this portion. So that will be minus 7 into minus 4, which is 28, minus 2 into 2 will be 4. So x1 value is minus 24, x2 value is minus 48, x3 value is 24. So I am taking 24 as a common term, so I will get x1 divided by 1 is equal to x2 divided by 2 is equal to x3 divided by minus 1. So my first eigenvector is matrix 1, 2, minus 1 for the eigenvalue 5. So then I am going to find a second eigenvector for that which is our eigenvalue is lambda is equal to minus 3. I am substituting lambda value 3 as in this matrix. I am getting 1, 4, 3 as a main diagonal element. So then I am going to multiply first row, first column, then I am going to equate this equal to 0. So I am getting 1 into x1 will be x1 plus 2 into x2 will be 2x2 minus 3x3 is equal to 0. So for that, here the eigenvalue is repeated. So I am going to substitute x1 eigenvalue as a 0. Then I will get 2x2 is equal to 3x3. I am taking this 3 to this side and this x2's coefficient as right side. So I will get x2 value as 3, x3 value as 2, x1 value as 0. So I am getting second eigenvector as matrix 0, 3 and 2. Then you have to find the third eigenvector. For that I am going to substitute x2 as 0. So from that I am getting x1 is equal to 3x3. So I am taking this 3 to left side and 1 to right side. So I will get x1 value as 3, x2 value as 0, x3 value as 1. So our third eigenvector will be matrix 3, 0 and 1. So this is how we are going to we have find